What a difference a day makes. One day changes your whole outlook and perspective. Stick around, we got the P&L recap coming right up. So we dodged some landmines today. We navigated our way through the Nasdaq stock market minefield, and we ended up with a pretty solid day. A pretty solid day. Getting into the P&L here, we might have stepped on the gas pedal just a little bit. Stepped on the gas pedal just a little bit. So we passed one eval today. I almost passed another one. I've got like $3,000 left on it. The 150Ks. Low key, the 300K might not be worth the effort. I'm sure it is if you're patient enough. I still plan on getting that account. Uh, it might be. I might try it again after I take the next round of payouts in April. I might try to get that one back again. That is so mentally taxing, dude. To go unlock that big joker and then turn around and lose it. That is so frustrating. That being said, that being said, if I would have been more patient yesterday and kept those two accounts and not been an idiot and a degen, I would have had an awesome day. Well, I mean, you never know, but I had an awesome day in these accounts. 581, 612, and 1600. The 1600 unlocks the 150K. It gets it out of the trailing drawdown. That gives me 5,200 in it, 4,001 and 4,004 in the other two 50Ks. Like I said, I just unlocked another 150K. I avoided some disastrous landmines today. I'll link the live stream to this or put it in the comments. You can go browse through that. Um, you'll see some ups and downs in there, some near wipeouts, but we managed to save it. I've kind of come up with a formula for the way that I trade the 150K and the 20 or the 300K at that. I'll do it with a lot more contracts on the 300K, but I will scalp with 5 contracts. 5 contracts is like $200 with 8 ticks of take profit, right? So if you go look, you will see me get jammed up and get stuck. Well, I will, as long as it gives me an opportunity to make a scalp. I will scalp with 10 contracts, right? I would not do that with a PA account because if you get it wrong, it's instant death, right? Um, Trying to dig yourself out with max contracts is never a good idea. But on an eval, when you plan it right and do it right, like I just did just a few minutes ago, and like I did with the one that I just passed today, if you get it right, it instantly adds $800 to your P&L. It digs you out of a hole. Like I was $2,800 in the hole underwater on that trade that took me quite a while. It took me like 40 minutes, 30 minutes to dig myself out of it. But anyway, that is how I get through it. I'm sure some of you can make one trade and pass that. Uh, You can YOLO pass them or pass them with one contract. I can't do it that way. I do it in the same manner that I scalp, and when I get jammed up, I scalp my way out of it. Long story short, I wish I had those other two accounts back. That would have made for an awesome day. As it is, it's an awesome day. 27.95 on the day. I have zero complaints. Um, Now that I have a little bit of a cushion built up in, that's another thing I want to talk about too. Trade count. What the heck is this? Does anybody know what this means? That's not how many trades I took in these. I scaled up to 5 contracts in each one of these. That's like uh 3 trades, 3 or 4 trades, like 3 trades in 8 ticks and out. So why it says 13 and 9, that doesn't make sense to me. I thought that was the number of contracts that you're trading. Well, the math doesn't add up if that's the case. There is literally 15 contracts traded in each of these accounts today. 3 to 4 trades. I can't remember exactly, but the math doesn't add up. And I want to show y'all this little move right here. This move is what I got hung in earlier. So if you want to see me scout my way out of this, well, I did that. The caveat is it didn't go any lower right here. If it would have went lower like it is going to right here, I would have been in bad trouble and I would have popped that eval. But I didn't. I managed to save it, right the ship. And what a wild 2 day ride we have had in the market. It has been absolutely insane. In freaking sane. Um, but yeah, so I feel really good about getting those two accounts over $4,000 mark. And I feel really good about getting that 150K over the $5,000 mark. And now the trailing threshold is gone on it. That is all I got. I appreciate y'all tuning in, and I will catch you next time. Take care.